Hey everybody, today I'm working on my Mustang, and what I'm going to be doing today is installing a new fender liner. So a while back my old one came off, so you can see here there is no fender liner installed, and I had to pull it off because I was driving over it. I ripped it off essentially. So I went on eBay and I found the pieces. These are brand new, and it's a two-piece set. This part goes in the front, and then this one goes in the back, and they connect in the middle. And so initially I had ordered that one, and then I realized that there was half of it missing, so that's the other part. Other tools that I'm gonna need here are my my wrench to take off my lug nuts there, a jack to lift it up, and I also have some jack stands that I'm gonna use. Obviously, you should never just trust the jack to hold the car by itself. And another thing that I'm gonna be needing is scissors. So these things they need to be cut up, and as you can see here, I already started kind of trimming here because I did try to fit this earlier, and I realized that you need to cut some of this to shape. The other thing that you need to do is have these retaining clips. So I went on Amazon and I ordered this kit, which has a ton of them. So as you can see here, I think this was about $20, maybe less, and it has all the tools plus a bunch of different sizes, because as you can see here, there's going to be different holes, and this thing is held in there by retaining clips. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lift up the car and take off this tire. I got my helper here.
Oh yeah.
Keep on going until the tire comes off the ground. You're so strong.
It's super easy. I don't know why. Like, I'm lifting up this.
You're lifting an entire car. Come on, you can do it. Okay, so now we loosen them up. Now we can take off the lug nuts. We have the jack stand underneath.
Yeah. It's starting to rain.
Yeah.
One of them.
Okay, so now we took the wheel off, and we're gonna put the fender liner. So this part right here, I noticed that goes down. So it goes like this. That's the front part. You can try to fit it in there. You'll see that it only goes one way. It's like a puzzle. It needs to go above, higher. Yeah, see that?
Maybe. Is it?
Let's see. It goes above the. It goes up high like this. Here, hold the camera. It's recording. Okay, so it goes like this. And then behind this, I have to put it a little bit. Sorry. See that? And it goes like that. I have to put this behind this one here. And then I'll have to start clipping things in. Okay, so that's kind of how it fits in. So let's so we move that. Oh, we put the front one here kind of like sitting still here, and now I'm gonna see what I can attach in there to prevent it from falling down, and then see what needs to be cut. So we're gonna put this like this, and then we have one of these clips like that. Push it in there. And then Maybe that's a... Okay, stop recording. Okay, so we have this clip like this. I'm gonna take it apart. And I'm gonna line this hole right here with the base in there, and then I can push in the... Is that right? Oh boy, no, that's not it.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here's the video of the final result. I put, this is the fender liner installed. Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit. This is the liner. It's nice and sturdy in there. The clips are in there. There's one there. There's one there. There's one there. One there. One there. One there. And yeah, very sturdy. And that's it.